Introducing the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, heated steering wheel, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.